slushy mess. Man, look at how it's stuck on them trees. Put my Jeep in snow mode. Wow, look at them limbs. Okay. Here's another steep curve. All right, did you see that truck in front of us? How he fishtailed right there? Trucks are light in the rear end anyway. So far, this Jeep hasn't done that. So far. Wow, this is a heavy snow through here. It's bringing down trees, tree limbs. He's having trouble. I am a little bit, but I'm going. Oh boy. This is Stony Ridge. Well, this is Horse Pen. Next one we're going to cross is what they call Stony Ridge. It's always bad. Yeah, there's more snow over this way than where I came from. Better feeling. You got good tires and got a good vehicle. This Jeep, I'm telling you, it is just perfect. The weight, the length, everything. It's like a tank. It's a heavy snow. We're almost to the top. We're getting to the top of Stony Ridge. There's the snow plow. kind of surprised. I'll be honest with you, I wasn't expecting this. Can't even see where the yellow line is. Running back into it now. Whiteout conditions. This right here will cover our road quick. It's 31 degrees, so we're staying steady. Alright, what do we got going on up here? Tractor and Trailer is trying to back into this business, and he is sliding. But he's making it though. Alright, we'll have Walmart right to our left side. I've actually got to pick up an order there, but I'm early. About 45 minutes to wait. So I believe that I'll just go over here at Tractor Supply parking area and watch 460. Down pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive through the parking lot like a maniac. What in the world? Check that out. I think they're lost. I think they need to go to Florida. let it free roll there for just a little bit. Don't try to hold it back. This is a heavy snow. It's bringing the trees over. Wow. Wow. You might bring some limbs and trees down. Get you a steady speed. Just let it do what it wants to do right here. And we'll continue up. We got quite a bit of snow. We're going to see how much we got here. Almost 4 inches on the gravel. So here in the grass area, we're about 5.5 there. Yep, so we got between 5 and 5.5 inches. And it's still coming down. So they said between 3 and 5 inches. And we got every bit of it. And we're getting more. It don't seem like it's gonna let up anytime soon. This is the biggest snow we've had so far. So, many more to come though.